I will talk about how can you disable allow page notifications on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, just go down, click on my Learning down here. So then you come to this list, then you click here on your name. So then come to your profile, then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to this list here, then you go down, you keep going down here and you click here on account settings. So then you come to this list, you just switch into open video. So then you click here on notifications, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on pages here and you come to allow page notifications, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean allow page notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.